And everyone can see my screen, hopefully. Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So, hi everyone. My name is Shivan Vipani, and I'm the president of AI at UCI. Thank you so much for coming to Artificial Intelligence at UCI's first meeting of the year. We'll cover what we're all about as a club, briefly have you meet your team for the year, cover a few basics of AI, and go over all of the fun stuff that we have in store for you guys for this quarter. So what do we do here at AI at UCI? So we really try to aim to introduce all of you guys to the latest tools and concepts of the artificial intelligence world. And part of how we do that is through our weekly workshops that we're going to be posting on our YouTube channel at 6:30 p.m. on Mondays. So because we're in COVID times and we can't be all together in person, we'll be pre-recording these workshops and uploading them at this given time. And these are workshops hosted by students for students, either third or fourth years, or sometimes even graduate students that are guiding you through different topics in the AI world in very hands-on workshops that try to step you through the concept as well as code segments. So we'll provide all the resources and instructions for working through these projects, and our mentors will be available online through our Discord to help you out if you need any help with any sort of problems that you might be encountering. Though we're unsure about how the future is looking for making networking and QA panel events happen remotely, we have held these in the past, and we are hoping to get some of these kind of events going in the future as well this year, even if that's a virtual Q&A session with some industry professionals. Those events have been really, really fun in the past, and we brought in some people from various different companies to talk about different AI topics. So we're hoping to get something like that going this year as well. Additionally, we're hoping to, connect students with the interest that they have in AI and just form this sense of community with just that nice feeling of having people that are interested in the same thing that you are and share that similar passion. And so for this year, we're now going to have a Discord. So we're hoping that even during this remote time, we're still able to connect everyone together, and you guys are still able to interact with all of the club members and even the mentors, and just still stay connected as much as we can. Additionally, this is a new thing for this year. We're trying to engage in more long-term projects beyond just our workshops. So once our community is all collected together and knowledge bases have been established, we'll try to help you guys link up in groups to work on fun challenges like Kaggle contests among the club for prizes, and open-ended projects meant to tackle some kind of problem prompt, with more details to come for those long-term projects later. All right. So I'll hand it off to Pooja now.
Hi everyone, my name is Pooja. I just wanted to say thank you for joining us today. I know it's really crazy being in the situation that we're in. Am I muted? Wait, can you hear me?
No, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Oh, okay, cool. So I just want to say thank you for joining us, even though it's virtual. And
I think we still can't hear you.
I think that's on your end, Shivan.
Yeah, that's on you. We can all hear you.
Okay, I can't hear her. Never mind.
Well, I'll let you know when it's your turn, but thank you, everyone. And so we really want to try our best so that you can get the most out of this club, even through a virtual setting. So we just wanted to take some time to introduce to you the club and the team, and give themselves a chance to introduce themselves. So for everyone on the team, when we get to your slide, please feel free to unmute yourself, say your name, major year, and what it is that you do for the club. So first off, we have Kriti and Mayank.
Hi everyone, I'm a second-year computer science major at UCI, and I'm one of the logistics chairs, which means that I just handle some of the day-to-day admin stuff like booking rooms or meeting notes.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mayank. I'm an incoming third-year computer science major, and I'm the other logistics chair, and I help with the logistics behind your project and events that we're going to be planning for you this year.
Then next we have Aditesh and Isha.
Hey everyone, I'm Aditesh. I'm the treasurer for the club this year. I guess, let's see. So I guess I'm a third-year computer science major.
The vice president take over?
Okay, sorry, getting a bit background noise. So I'm Aditesh. I'm the third year. I'm the treasurer for the club, and I guess I take care of all the money business for the club. It's pretty straightforward.
All right, hi guys, I'm Isha. I'm a third-year computer science major, and I'm the marketing chair for this year. And I basically manage our social media page and just keep you guys updated with our events.
I'm Droyged. I'm a third-year computer science major, and I am the lead mentor. So basically, I'm just responsible for like communicating with and organizing workshops with our team of mentors.
Hi everyone, I'm Cedric, and I am a fourth-year computer science major, and I am the webmaster for the club. And my task is basically my job role is basically to keep the website updated and fix any changes if need be.
Hi, I'm Duncan. I'm a fourth-year computer science major, and I'm responsible for sending emails. And that's actually pretty much about it, because usually when we're in person, I'm also responsible for recording the workshops. But now we've kind of decentralized that process. So I've taken upon myself to also take up responsibilities as a mentor. So I'm going to be releasing basic videos on our YouTube channel as a quick primer for all of our workshops that will be coming out, so that you can feel prepared regardless of what kind of topic we're releasing this quarter.
Hello, my name is Arseni. So I'm also a mentor. I'm actually a fourth-year cognitive science student, PhD student. So I'm happy to teach a few workshops here and there. Those are my main responsibilities. So hopefully you like them.
All right. Hello everyone, this is Neil, and I'm a third-year CS major. And for this quarter, I'll be leading a Tetris workshop, which is one of the introductory ones. So I'll look forward to it, and it's nice meeting you all.
Hi everyone, I'm Brian. I'm a second year. You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Brian. I'm a second year computer science major, and I'm also a mentor. So I'll be running a workshop or two this quarter and the following one. So be sure to look out for those.
Hi guys, my name is Rostam. I'm a third-year computer science major as well, and I'm a mentor, so I'll be helping out with the workshops too.
Awesome. All right. So hi everyone, you've already met me. My name is Shivan Vipani. I'm a fourth-year CS major. I am the president for the club, so I just help oversee all of the amazing work that this entire team has put together, and just help manage and organize everything.
Hi, my name is Pooja, and you've also met me already, but I'm a fourth-year computer science major, and I'm the vice president for the club, and I kind of do similar things to what Shivan does. But yeah, and so we just want to thank everyone that's on the team and the mentors. You'll be seeing a lot of the mentors in the workshops. They lead all of our workshops, and you'll be seeing them a lot when we post them on our YouTube channel. And the board members will be kind of behind the scenes, but because this is a virtual setting, you probably won't see them as much. But we're all on the Discord channel that we'll talk a little bit later about.
Yeah.
So feel free to ask us more questions, or if you want to, connect with us.
Yeah, awesome. All right, so now to just briefly take a peek into the world of AI to get you all familiar with some of the topics we'll be discussing. This tree kind of gives a great breakdown of the subsections of AI and all the different applications that are out there. As you can see, it's a truly diverse world. So to kind of look at some of the main branches, and these are the key terms that you should sort of familiarize yourself with as we do workshops in different areas throughout the quarter. So as you take a look at like some of these topics, you have machine learning, which is going to be a lot of data crunching. If you think about real world examples, you could think about even simple stuff like Netflix suggestions or Amazon Prime suggestions, where they're taking a lot of data and trying to work with whatever they can, make any sense out of it. And one of those examples is kind of like a recommendation system. You can look at another one of the areas, which is natural language processing, which is understanding and attaching value to the language or the text for purposes of using or parsing knowledge itself. Arsene had mentioned that he's got a lot to say in that area. And so you can think about other examples that are in this area, like a Google search context, like when you're looking for something and the keyword isn't even in the page, but it's still able to decipher what you're looking for. Then you move on to an area like speech, where you can think of a simple example like Alexa or Siri, dealing now with audio and trying to make sense of it in a realistic and natural way. Now, as you move on to things like expert systems, as well as planning and scheduling, you're looking at a lot of intelligent management and oversight of large systems, and just helping make decisions and crunching a lot of numbers and taking into consideration a lot of large contexts at once to be able to do a task that would normally demand a lot from a human individual. Moving on to robotics, you can imagine agents and robots that are navigating their environment intelligently and are adapting to the unexpected. So for those of you that might have seen this news a few years back, those robotic dogs that are being worked on that can sort of move and interact with their environment just like a normal dog would. Those are kind of examples of these intelligent agents that are going out into the world and behaving almost like animals and navigating on their own. And then on to vision, you can think of a simple example like a face scan from an iPhone, and it's just making sense now out of pixels of data that are captured in photos and videos, and you can make adjustments to these pixels or make similar looking things, or you could be recognizing different objects. There's a whole variety of different applications in the world of artificial intelligence, and our workshops are a great way of kind of getting a little taste of each of these areas and using it as an opportunity to delve deeper into these topics.
So because this is week 1, we really did not want to overwhelm you with any information. So we just wanted to show you this brief video that kind of explains AI in 101 seconds. It just gives you a brief overview of the different concepts and the different terms. So yeah, go ahead and play that.
Artificial intelligence is really techniques that help machines and computers mimic human behavior. It's like a Russian nesting doll. Artificial intelligence at the highest level is the device being smart. How it becomes smart under the hood then is the next layer of machine learning, which are the general techniques or a variety of techniques that are used to make that device smart. And then there's a further subset of algorithms or techniques called deep learning. Artificial intelligence is going to be used in everything. So I'll give you 2 examples. If a car has intelligence built in, if it can see the world, so looking at what's on the road, looking at you as the driver, and being able to anticipate and course correct when something goes wrong, something jumps into the road. Autonomous vehicles of any kind are not going to be autonomous without artificial intelligence. In the medical field, new treatments that'll come from the analysis of reams of data to detect cancers and diseases. Today, machines are smart, and they're smart because of AI, but AI still has a dependency on us, people. we're making it possible. The next phase is when artificial intelligence is able to walk on its own. Companies like Qualcomm, if we do our jobs right, and if artificial intelligence is done right, the actual implementation is totally transparent to a consumer. But what they end up with is devices in their world that are more than utilities. They're actually experiential, and they will make your life easier, more exciting. This is truly a transformational technology. It's that big.
So I think that video kind of went over, the basic concept of what usually people think of, which is like autonomous cars, but we'll be going into much different things throughout the quarter. And so we'll kind of go over the breakdown of our workshops on the next slide. And also I wanted to mention that video was very, 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 very overview, but Duncan, one of our mentors, has actually made another introduction to AI video that was very informative and, more getting into the gritty details and things. But at a very like a basic overview level still, that's very easy to understand. So we'll also send that out in one of the emails, so you can also have access to that as well. So week 1, congratulations, you're all here. This is the general meeting, and it will be a short one. But week 2, we'll start off next week with the heuristic-based chess AI that one of our mentors will be leading. Week 3 will be another genetic heuristic Tetris AI workshop. Week 4 will be a machine learning agents workshop that will be done with Unity. And week 5 is usually midterm season, so we try not to have any meetings that week, so you can really focus on school. Week 6 is fundamental data science tools workshop. Week 7 will be a graph convolutional networks workshop. Week 8 will be natural language processing workshop. And finally, week 9 will be an autoencoder workshop, and week 10 is also finals week. So usually we want you to prepare, get ready for school. So usually no meeting. This is kind of like the overview breakdown of topics, but the specifics will be posted on our Facebook page each week. Usually the week before the week of the workshop, we'll let you know the details about exactly what that week is going to be on. And each of these weeks are assigned to 1 to 2 mentors. And if you have any questions after watching the YouTube video, we do have a Discord channel where you can ask each of the mentors questions, or if you want to further discuss anything that was said in the video, we'll be letting you know who was the person that led that workshop, so you can direct your questions to them.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely like try to take advantage of your mentors as much as possible, because we're providing all this pre-recorded material for you guys. So awesome. Another thing we wanted to go over on the topic of mentors, we're always looking for more people to join our team and just help distribute the knowledge that we have. So if you're interested in mentoring at all, or if you're really good at, kind of learning on the job or as you go, and you want to help us share our practical applications, definitely feel free to shoot us an email at ai@uci@gmail.com. So yeah, definitely feel free to reach out to us at any point in the year if you feel ready enough to join our mentor team. As I said, we literally have like 3rd or 4th years, or sometimes graduate students. There's a whole range of diversity of experience and backgrounds. So, yeah. Lastly, this is just something I wanted to provide. Since Pooja mentioned we have all of these amazing workshops that are lined up for you guys for this quarter, I just wanted to provide a few of these links here if you want to take a photo or anything right now, just to keep track of it. Our website is where you can find information of past workshops. You'll see your entire officer team listed there. And we'll be trying to update the website with more information as things develop in the future. The website at the very bottom of it, that's where you can also subscribe to our newsletter and get emails about developments in the world of AI, as well as updates on any future events or workshops that are coming up. And through email is also how we'll send out all those great informational videos that Duncan has been putting together for you guys, just going over different summarized topics. So that's the website. The Discord will be really, really helpful for just staying connected together as a club. and it'll be really helpful for like interacting with other people. If you're struggling on a particular workshop, there's other students as well as mentors to kind of put their heads together. Our YouTube channel is where we document all of our workshops. So when we were in person, we would film them and would upload them online. And once we moved into our remote mode for spring quarter onwards, we've been recording our virtual workshops and uploading them to the YouTube channel. So you can find all of our past work there, as well as future workshops. We'll be uploading them as pre-recorded videos moving forwards. And then lastly, our Facebook page, that's where we'll post our Facebook events for these workshops. It's just another way of getting your information. So we'll be posting those Facebook events in the UCI class groups. So be sure to look out for all of that information. But yeah, I would just like to thank everyone for coming out to this general meeting. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot them in the chat and we'll be happy to answer anything.
I would like to add something. So all of our workshops, I know typically the question that I get is you're concerned that you have no experience with any of AI topics at all. And we completely understand that and know that. So don't be stressed or worried if you don't have any experience at all. That's kind of what our club is meant to be. We do typically start off with easier workshops towards the beginning of the quarter. And sometimes we'll delve into, you know, topics that are for people that already know AI. And all of our workshops will also be typically done in Python so that our freshmen can also follow along as well.
Yeah, definitely. And like in addition to that, the workshops aren't like sequential in the sense that you don't have to have attended workshop number 3 to attend number 4 or number 5. So don't ever feel discouraged just because you missed out on a prior workshop and think that you can't pick up a new concept that's later in the quarter too. Yeah, all of our workshops are meant to be very beginner friendly. We know that everyone that's interested in artificial intelligence is relatively new just because there's so much diversity to the world of artificial intelligence. So definitely just feel free to ask questions, reach out, do whatever you can to, you know, take this opportunity to just spend some good time learning and picking up some cool skills. So yeah, if you have any questions, send them in the chat and be sure to use these links as well. Take a photo if you need it. I'll keep it up here for you guys. But thank you so much. Have a great rest of your guys' days. I'll stop the recording now.